Question: Who is the father of our nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Second question: Who was the first president of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question third: Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar means Babasaheb Ambedkar. Fourth question: Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer: Skin. Fifth question: Gidda is the folk dance of. Answer: Punjab. Sixth question: Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer: Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Seventh question: Which is the heavier metal of these two, gold or silver? Answer: Gold. Eighth question: Who invented computer? Answer: Charles Babbage. Ninth question: 1024 kilobytes is equal to. Answer: 1 megabyte. 10th question: Brain of computer is. Answer: CPU. Question 11: India lives in which continent? Answer: Asia. Question 12: Which country are the Giza pyramids in? Answer: The Giza pyramids are in Egypt. Question 13: What city is the Statue of Liberty in? Answer: The Statue of Liberty is in New York City. Question 14: How many cricket World Cups does India have? Answer: India has 2 cricket World Cups. Question 15: Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer: Nile. Question 16: Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for. Answer: Lion. Question 17: Smallest state of India is. Answer: Goa. Question 18: Highest dam of India is. Answer: Tehri Dam. Question 19: Which plant grows in desert? Answer: Cactus. Question 20: Fastest animal on earth is. Answer: Cheetah.